guys! So excited. I received this about a week and a half ago. I was supposed to open it by now, but I decided to wait and to actually film. It comes in this plastic packaging with the item itself, some Asian, I think it's in Japanese writing, I guess, directions. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So these are what the directions look like. So do not get scared. I'm going to go ahead and zoom all the way to my nose and my pore areas. It's very disgusting. I'm going to start from the side. Whoa. Close the door. From just one swipe, nothing came. But as you can see, it made where I placed it turn pink, and I'm in red. This shit sucks. Now I'm pressing down, trying to grab something. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like not coming out. It's just like holding onto its dear life. Like, get the fuck out of my face. I mean, get out of my face. Oh god, that is so unattractive. I'm just gonna go upwards, like what the instructions should look like. I don't know. It doesn't work. Now I'm gonna show you everything that I did on this side and my face here. What came out. I mean, could have been more impressive, but it's not. You guys see that? That is gross. It's not a lot, but there you have it. It does work, but it does take some time. Like, ew. Have to succeed. This was very expensive coming from China, in my opinion. No shade to China. You guys are low-key fam when it comes to the good. Oh god. Ew, I look like a pig. Ew. Honestly, this sucks. Don't bother wasting your money. It sucks. I feel like if I go ahead and wet my nose and like steam my nose and steam my pores, what I mean, I'm sure it's gonna work. Sure. I'm predicting it's gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do attempt 2. And I warmed up my nose, we'll put it that way. Let's see if it works. It's actually working. It's getting more. I mean, it's both kind of the same. Oh god. So don't waste your money on this. It's not worth a dime. You're better off using Elmer's glue. Using Elmer's glue plus charcoal and doing that do-it-yourself pore mask or whatever. You're better off doing that than using this. This was a waste of time and very disappointing. I had more hopes for this. So if I were to rate it 1 out of 10, I would rate this a 3. As you can see, I bruised. My face looks bruised. So thank you for watching. If you want to hear any like rants or story time, go ahead and thumbs up this video and stay tuned.